Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghu here. In this class, we'll discuss about final keyword in Java. In our previous classes, we discussed about many of the object-oriented programming concepts. Please watch those classes and come back here. The link for the playlist is provided in the description below. Coming to today's class, it is very simple class to understand. So we use final keyword in three of the situations. One, before a variable, and the second option is you can use the final keyword before a method, and we can use the final keyword before a class. With examples, we are going to understand what's this final keyword, how it is going to affect the programs. Suppose if you use this int q is equal to 20, before this int we are using a final keyword. Means we used the final keyword before a variable. If you use this before a variable, it works as a constant. Means this q, variable q, is taken as a constant. Once you assign this value 20, we can use that value. We are not able to modify that value. That is what constant means. We cannot modify q. We can use q. That is what constant means. So here they are going to use q, c is equal to p plus q. Remaining code we are not going to discuss because we are focusing only on the keyword final, hoping that you already have this basic understanding about class and methods, which we discussed many of the times in our previous classes. So p plus q, we are using q, this is accepted. But once if you want to modify q, we are creating an object here, ob.add, ob.q is equal to 30. Means we are changing that value 20 to 30. It is not accepted. It is going to show you compile time mistake. So this line is not accepted. That is how final keyword is used before a variable. If we use this final keyword before a method, void add off. Before this method, we are going to use this final keyword. If you use this final keyword before a method, that means it is not allowed to override. Method overriding, which we discussed in our previous classes during the inheritance concepts. What's that method overriding means? Class B extends A, means this is going to inherit this class A, and if the class B is also having the same method, that is what we call it as method overriding. It is not allowed here because this method is a final method. Final means don't allow method overriding concept. So the next one is if you use this before a class A, before that we have mentioned it as final. What's the meaning of that? Not allowed to inherit. So class A is not allowed to inherit. That is what the meaning of final before a class. So let's take class B extends A. It is going to show you a compile time mistake. It is not allowed because B is going to inherit A, which is not allowed because A is defined as final. These are the three uses with final keyword. Hope you understand these concepts. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.